How to trade hammers and shooting stars. When you look at a bar on a trading chart, most traders do not appreciate how much information the bar holds. Each bar contains an open price, a close price, a maximum and a minimum. I show you this on a candlestick bar also. Which type of bar you use is up to you, but I'll be using the first in this video because I think it's a bit cleaner to look at. So to start our analysis, we will split the bar into thirds like this, and we'll be looking at where the open and close are and what it tells you about the trade. Now the first type of bar to note is the 1-1 and the 3-3, often called hammer and shooting star. In the hammer, the open and close are both in the first third, like the image to the left. The important thing to you to understand is what the hammer means. It means the bar opens at the open, then the sellers push the price all the way down to the low in the first half of the bar. In the second half, the buyers rallied and pushed the bar all the way to the high, and finally finished on the close. So there's a big change in movement in a hammer or a shooting star, and you should look for one of these bars to signal a reversal of a trend, or the start of a new trend. So how should you trade these signals? We'll look at the hammer first. There are two types of hammer depending on the price action. The price decreases in the first bar here, and increases in the second. The first bar is called the hanging man, and the second is the hammer. Generally, it's thought that the hammer indicates you should buy, and the hanging man indicates you should short. However, you should try not to trade solely based on this, because these bars indicate there is a lot of both sellers and buyers still in the game. The hammer signals the end of a downtrend, and the hanging man signals the end of an uptrend. They are fantastic indicators for this. So how should you trade a shooting star? First note there's two types of shooting star. The inverted hammer, seen on the left, and the shooting star, seen on the right. The way to trade these is similar to the hammer and the hanging man. They can be used to signal buy or short. Generally, inverted hammers mean buy, shooting stars mean sell, but you should take care if this is with this approach and back it up with other indicators. The most effective way to use these bars is to signal the end of a trend. The inverted hammer signals the end of a downtrend, and the shooting star signals the end of an uptrend. There's a link in the description to my website which goes into more detail. In the next video, I'll go into more depth with candlestick analysis, and we'll be looking at what sort of things set up a trade, and you should start looking for trades. Thank you for watching.